Are you struggling to write a motivational letter that truly stands out? Whether you're applying for a bursary, scholarship, or financial aid, this letter could be your golden ticket to achieving your dreams. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to write a compelling motivational letter that grabs attention and makes a lasting impression. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button if you're ready to unlock your potential. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips on achieving your goals. Now, let's get started.
A motivational letter for a bursary is a formal document written by an applicant to express their interest in receiving financial assistance for education. It typically includes details about the applicant's academic achievements, career goals, financial need, and reasons for pursuing the specific program or course. This letter is important because it provides the selection committee with insight into the applicant's background, motivation, and potential, helping them determine if the applicant aligns with the bursary's purpose and objectives. A well-crafted motivational letter can make a significant impact by showcasing the applicant's passion, dedication, and eligibility.
Personal background and goals. Begin by introducing yourself in a way that makes you stand out. Share a bit about who you are, your journey so far, and what has inspired you to pursue your education. For example, you might include your upbringing, challenges you've overcome, or a defining moment that led you to choose your field of study. Then, connect this background to your goals. Talk about your aspirations, both academic and personal. For instance, if you dream of becoming an engineer, a doctor, or a researcher, explain why this goal is important to you and how it aligns with your values or the impact you hope to make in the world. This helps the reader see your motivation and purpose. Academic achievements and career aspirations. Next, showcase your academic accomplishments. Highlight specific achievements that demonstrate your dedication and capability, such as high grades, awards, leadership roles, or participation in extracurricular activities. If you've worked on any notable projects, such as science fairs, research, or creative portfolios, this is the place to mention them. Then, tie your academic achievements to your future career aspirations. Be clear about where you see yourself after your studies. For example, if you're studying environmental science, explain how you plan to contribute to sustainability or tackle climate change. If you're pursuing business, talk about your ambition to create innovative solutions or start a socially responsible company. Make it clear that you have a vision for the future, and the bursary will help you achieve it. Financial need and how the bursary will help. After establishing your goals and achievements, explain your financial situation honestly and respectfully. Share the challenges you face in funding your education, such as coming from a low-income family, supporting siblings, or managing high tuition fees. Be transparent, but avoid sounding desperate. Instead, focus on how this bursary is a stepping stone to success. Emphasize how receiving this bursary will have a meaningful impact on your life. For instance, you might explain that it would allow you to focus fully on your studies without needing to take on extra jobs, cover the costs of books or equipment, or pursue opportunities like internships that might otherwise be out of reach. This section should highlight how the bursary isn't just financial aid. It's a tool that empowers you to achieve your dreams. Call to action. Finally, conclude your letter with a thoughtful and positive call to action. Express your gratitude for the opportunity to apply and acknowledge the importance of the organization's support in helping students like you. You could say something like, "Thank you for considering my application and for the work your organization does to support students in achieving their educational and professional dreams." End with a strong statement of hope and enthusiasm. Let the selection committee feel your excitement about the opportunity to pursue your education with their help. A good closing line could be, "I am eager to contribute to my community and make a positive impact, and this bursary would be a critical step in helping me do so." To recap, a strong motivational letter for a bursary includes your personal background and goals, where you share your story and what drives you, academic achievements and career aspirations, showing your dedication and vision for the future, your financial need and how the bursary will help, explaining how it will make a meaningful difference in your education and life, a thoughtful call to action, expressing gratitude and excitement for the opportunity. Remember, this letter is your chance to stand out, so take your time. Write from the heart, be honest, and focus on showing your passion and potential. To all students applying for bursaries, believe in yourself. This process may seem daunting, but every word you write brings you closer to achieving your dreams. Don't be discouraged by challenges. They're part of the journey. You have what it takes to succeed, and your hard work will pay off. Stay motivated, stay focused, and give it your all. Your future is worth it.